my channel, if you are new, of course, make sure that you click that subscribe button. And for all my old heads, of course, welcome back to the channel. So y'all, I am running so behind. I forgot to vlog, but I knew that y'all wanted to see. But I am going back to school. So I am on the road right now, going back to Baton Rouge, because I go to Southern, period. So I am actually rolling right now. I'm already on the highway. I didn't vlog like everything else because like today I had all my stuff packed. I had my truck packed, but I did have to go get like some last minute items. So me and my mom were doing that, but you know, it was a little minute for us to do all that. So as y'all can see, like y'all, my car is packed to the max, and my aunt and uncle are driving as well, but they're driving a whole different vehicle, and their car is packed to the max, but they have a lot of my heavy stuff. I have just like the small stuff. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna vlog my move-in day and stuff like that. Today is Sunday. I don't move in till Monday, but because it is 3 hours away and I move in at 6, I have to go ahead and get on the road today, and we're gonna be sleeping in a hotel. So right now I am on my way to the veteran grave site in Rayville, because that is where my grandfather is. So I'm gonna go ahead, go over there, because it's like always, I'd always tell him bye before I went off to school. So of course I'm gonna go ahead and head on over there, and my aunt and uncle are actually gonna meet me there. That way that we can trail each other, because they want to make sure that I'm safe, because I am just riding by myself. It's nobody else with me. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna start back driving, because I'm actually driving now, and you know, it's not safe for me to be trying to record and drive at the same time. So I guess I'll see you guys when I make that stop in Rayville, I guess. And if I make any other stops, I might show y'all around. But of course, when I get to BR, I'm most definitely gonna, you know, let y'all see or whatever. So bye guys. Hey y'all, so we finally made it to BR. It took us maybe like 2.5 hours, something like that. So I am actually in the hotel. They went to go get some snacks and stuff. So I am at the hotel. So let me give y'all a room tour. Y'all know that's what I do, period. Y'all hear somebody talking, that's my mama. But you know, there's the door, and then we got a suite. So like, here's like the suite area. There's some food right there, and it also has a TV. So it has the little desk area, and then you got your couch, and I don't know whose bag that is. And then there's a TV. Then there's a chair. Hold on, guys. Yeah, so after you get to the chair, there's like a microwave and like kind of like kitchenish area. And there's like the refrigerator down there. So you have all of that. And then here's the bathroom. So after you leave the bathroom, there is a full-length mirror, period. Then there's another TV on the stand. And then there are the beds. And the closet, in case y'all want to see the closet space. Yeah, guys, we are going to eat soon. Yeah, y'all, so we made it here safe. Took us, like I said, about 2.5 hours. And y'all know I live about 3.5 hours away. That just goes to show you, baby, I was trying to get here. All right, so yeah, we're gonna eat, and I think we're gonna put it up for the night. Y'all, I am breaking out like all right in here, and I think it's from my mask, but I don't know. I really think it's from the mask, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know. So yeah, y'all, I will see you guys. Ooh, y'all, my nose ring. I'll see you guys in the morning. Hopefully I can get in and get y'all an empty apartment tour. I don't know, y'all. Now my face was just clearing up, y'all, and then I started breaking out. That's so ugly. But yeah, I will try and get y'all an empty apartment tour for those that are interested in staying on campus in the apartments at Southern in the future. And also we'll just move on with the rest of this vlog. And when me and my roommate get everything straight, I will show you guys the apartment tour. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. Good morning, y'all. I hope y'all can hear me with my mask on, but it is Monday morning. It is 6:39. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to move in between 6 and 8:30, so let's head on up to the school. I just left my hotel, so see y'all there. So we are here at Southern. I got all my housing stuff, my keys and things, so we're finna get moved in, y'all. So I'll catch y'all when we get inside the apartment. I'm not gonna show y'all my room number. And I think they just locked me out. They locked me out, guys. So. Yeah, y'all locked me out.
You got some keys?
No.
Oh.
Okay, y'all. Okay, so you walk in. You got a refrigerator and like cabinets, counters, microwave. Huh? Yes, please. My stove. There's some more cabinets. You got coffee table, like a little table for your TV, chair, table, couch. Right here, somebody's bedroom, my bedroom,
Bathroom. The tile bar bed.
counter. Oh, this is a big bathroom. This is like Taylor bathroom. We got bathroom. Let me kind of show you how big my room is. It's pretty big. But yeah, it's a mini empty apartment tour. Hey y'all, so I'm not done, like nowhere near done, but I will show you guys kind of like a sneak peek. Everything isn't really done, but I just show y'all a sneak peek of what it's kind of looking like. Okay, so you can see I still got like stuff everywhere because I'm trying to clean up. My roommate hasn't come yet, so this is just kind of what it's looking like, y'all. Like, I love the living space. Like, the living space is so freaking cute, and the sink with the dispensers and all that good stuff. Let me show you the bathroom. I can't wait till she gets the mats, y'all. I was cleaning, but y'all look, it's really cute. And we got like a little, you know, but this right here, this looks a mess, y'all. Like, y'all, my room looks bad. Y'all got bleach on my shirt, like. But yeah, so me and Heaven are about to run out to Walmart. I still got some stuff I need to get. A lot of stuff. Oh, y'all. I need to get me a mattress pad. Y'all, tell me why I left my mattress pad back in my room. So I gotta go get a mattress pad, and I gotta get some the command strips. I'm going to get 2 more wall mirrors. This is the mirror that was made for me, but I think I'm going to put that one in the living room. That's where I was going to originally put it. So I think I'm just going to do this little DIY project where I put the mirrors together and put the little lights around them. Pretty DIY to me. But yeah, but honestly, I'm really just unpacking and trying to get everything together. But y'all, I am so tired. Like, let me tell y'all, bringing this stuff up 3 flights of stairs, I didn't bring too much. My aunt and uncle really brought a lot of it. But still, 3 flights of freaking stairs. I am tired. So yeah, I'm finna go pick up Heaven. We're gonna run out to Walmart and probably the dollar store and get everything I need. Ooh, that fan is on its last leg, Lord. Fix it, Jesus. So yeah, one thing I do love about this apartment though is you can adjust your temperature. So I put it on 68 because both of us like it cold, and you get like a ceiling fan. You get a ceiling fan in here. So, and the room is huge. So by the time I actually get all this stuff put up, and because a lot of this is really bedding. Once I get the bedding together, put all my clean supplies in the trunk, like put everything where it needs to be, like it's gonna be amazing, guys. So yeah, and I'm gonna get some more LED lights as well. And I'm gonna see about getting a router because y'all know. So yeah, let's get into it. So I guess I'll see you guys when I go get Heaven because I'm gonna go get her like right now. So bye guys. Hey y'all, so I'm actually sitting in line to get back on campus. Right now. Y'all, I am hot, I am sweaty, like, and I'm not even done with my room. After I set up like the hall, like everything else except my bedroom, my friend had to move in at 4 and her family was here. Excuse me. Her family was here and they had to go back home, so I went ahead and helped her move in, and now she's gonna come help me get my stuff together and put everything up. So yeah, I'm on my way back to my room. Oh y'all, and we just gonna see what everything looking like. Oh y'all, okay, the lighting is bad, but we're gonna see how everything looking. I'm gonna give y'all a full apartment tour probably tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, because it's hot right now, and I'm probably not gonna be done for a couple more hours. I got my friend Kobe coming to put up my lights. We finna set the mood, period. So yeah, y'all. I'll just see y'all when I get back to my room, I guess. Hey guys. What's over there?
What's over there?
Over there. Is that our kitchen stuff? Oh, child. Y'all, I can't breathe. Anyways,
we in this ditch.
yeah, we in Walmart right now. Trying to finish getting all our school crap. I ain't done moved in.
Oh my God.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my God. Jesus fix it. You need any pop? Oh, what is this? Oh.
I told you not to go over there and make a big song.
They ain't got none of the little jars that I'm looking for. Good. This is what you need to cook that rotel in right here. That's exactly.
I need to get some blinds, some curtains.
I got mine at the dollar store last. Heaven, where was you when I was getting all this stuff? First of all, huh? This kitchen stuff still. I'm trying to see if I can find some of the containers. Yeah. Oh no, they ain't got them. Man, get that ass. I can't breathe. You gonna need call Deshaun, tell him to get the command strip that's got the hooks. Cause you're gonna have to put a rod up there. Hey y'all, so I know I never closed out the movie and day vlog. That's because I'm not. Oh y'all, oh Lord, my baby has a mess. It's okay. I'm gonna fix it later. I'm not done moving in. I actually have like some more stuff to put up, so I'm probably gonna let y'all watch me put that stuff up. As y'all can see, the rest of my room is pretty much done, but I'm gonna let y'all see that, and then we gonna end this out, y'all. Oh Lord, I'm trying to fix. Y'all see me? I know y'all probably like, ooh, Ken, I'm ready for the apartment tour, but sweetheart, I'm not done. I'm actually gonna go to the store before I go to class. To go ahead and get what I need to get so that we can finish out this vlog and I can give y'all a full apartment tour tonight because my housewarming party is tonight. So yeah, oh, the ghetto. Anyway, y'all, so I'm gonna go back to the store and go get the rest of the stuff that I need, and boom, period. So I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all, so I'm back at the house, and yeah, as y'all saw, I just made my vanity mirror, and I gotta go hang up some curtains, and then we'll be ready for the apartment tour. So yeah, I'm pretty much done with everything. Oh, y'all, I'm pretty much done with everything. I am completely moved in. Today is Friday, so I am completely moved in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this move-in day vlog. And I will see you guys later on tonight because I'm about to film the apartment tour so you guys can get a little tour of my apartment. And yeah, so make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, also like this video and comment under this video. And y'all, we finally made it to 1K, so we are super lit. We are excited about that. Be on the lookout for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Oh yeah, my head itching. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video, and until next time, guys, bye.